Former actress Catherine Luna finally opens up about the child Coco Martin had DNA tested, revealing new details about the long-standing controversy. For the first time, former actress Catherine Luna has spoken out about the long-standing rumor surrounding her daughter Nicole's paternity. In an interview on the Julius Babaw Unplugged YouTube channel, she addressed speculation that her former partner, actor Coco Martin, was Nicole's father. Catherine clarified that she never sought financial support from Coco when she gave birth to Nicole. However, as her daughter grew older, she began to notice that Nicole did not resemble the actor. This realization prompted her to reevaluate the situation, especially after a DNA test later confirmed that Coco was not the biological father. She admitted that she initially distanced herself from the issue, uncertain about how to handle the widespread reports. The controversy placed her in a difficult position, leading her to remain silent for years. Adding another layer to the situation, Catherine revealed that there was a time when Coco took Nicole without her knowledge while the child was under her mother's care. This incident caused tension in their relationship, leaving her feeling deeply hurt and betrayed. Despite the public speculation, Catherine insisted that she never attempted to take advantage of Coco or seek financial assistance from him. She explained that her decision to step back was due to embarrassment and uncertainty about how to address the situation after it had already made headlines. To this day, Nicole has not met her biological father. Catherine disclosed that he is a Chinese businessman who is now married to an actress. While she chose not to reveal further details about his identity, she emphasized that he is not part of the entertainment industry. Catherine and Coco first crossed paths while working on an indie film, which led to their relationship. Though their past has been the subject of public interest, Catherine now wants to move forward and focus on her daughter's well-being, leaving the past behind.